Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential tutorial for all you Mac users out there. Have you ever wondered how to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension on your Mac? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps, making sure you can do it easily and confidently. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the uninstallation process, let's quickly talk about what the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension is all about. This fantastic extension enhances your browsing experience by darkening the background when watching videos, reducing distractions, and putting the focus on the content you love. However, there might be various reasons you want to remove it, and that's what we'll show you how to do. Method 1. Open your Mac Launchpad and search for the Turn Off the Lights for Safari app. Then, long press on the icon, and it will start to wiggle. Now, click on the X icon, and a confirmation message box will show up. Click on the Delete button. Now, Turn Off the Lights for Safari is completely removed from your Mac computer. Method 2. First, open Safari on your Mac. Then, right-click on the lamp button to bring up a context menu, and select the menu item, Manage Extensions. A new window will appear. Click on the Uninstall button. Next, click on the Show in Finder button. It will open your Finder with the Turn Off the Lights for Safari app selected. Now, drag the app to your trash icon and enter your Mac computer password when prompted. Next, open your trash, and click on the Empty button. Now, Turn Off the Lights for Safari is successfully removed from your Mac computer. That's all for today's tutorial on how to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension on your Mac. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Mac tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.